You're late, Kakarot.
Sorry! I was just getting ready to fight you. And I guess I lost track of time.
This is the day I defeat you.
That's the spirit. We'll just have to see if I can one-up you this time.
Shut your mouth. This is it. Prepare to lose. Ah, I see. Perhaps there's something to that intense training you spoke of.
Going up against someone like you, it wouldn't be any fun if I didn't give it 100%.
Then show me what 100% looks like coming from you! Excellent. That strength is what makes beating you worth it. I plan to make quick work of you if you tried holding back, but that no longer seems necessary.
Don't worry about me holding anything back, especially when I'm up against you!
Don't underestimate me! Damn that little bastard! Big Bang! Attack! Big Bang! Believe it! Well done!
Come on! If that's all you can muster up, then this match is mine!
Keep on yapping! I'll make you eat those words soon enough! Seems like we're both sufficiently warmed up.
Yep.
The real fight begins now!
Right!
That's what I like to see!
This is starting to get tough.
Get ready! Here it comes! This is where we fought for the very first time. On that day, my pride was shattered, and I've carried that loss with me! Believe it! Time for a little surprise! Kakarot! Me! What's wrong, Kakarot? Is that truly the best you can do? Don't underestimate me! Damn you, Kakarot!
I remember it. You were incredibly strong back then. So strong that I couldn't help but feel excited fighting you.
Ever since then, I've held a grudge against you. You grew stronger at such an absurd rate. I was a victim of my own incompetence.
Whoa! You can get even stronger?
After everything I experienced on Earth and planet Namek, my strength skyrocketed. Despite that, you had the upper hand over me. I couldn't close the gap between us. during our fight with Frieza, and when you faced off against Cell. Even when you returned from the other world, I was still a step behind you! I swallowed my own pride and went along with Babadi's plan. But it still wasn't enough to catch up to you! I had no choice but to admit, there was a Super Saiyan stronger than me! As long as there's a chance for me to surpass you, even temporarily, I will never give it up! I will crush you and reclaim my title of the strongest Saiyan! No! I'll be the strongest in the universe!
His ki is incredible. I can't believe this guy. How hard did he train to get this strong? Vegeta, you're amazing. This is why fighting you is so much fun.
Believe it! No escape! Time for a little surprise! What's so funny?
I was just thinking how much fun it is to fight you. Sparks always fly whenever we face off, and it only makes me want to fight even more.
That's what it means to be a Saiyan.
All right, I'm about to turn up the heat. Try to keep up, Vegeta.
What was that? You're the one who needs to keep up with me. Big Bang attack! Out of my face! Got a gun! escape!
What just happened? I lost my Super Saiyan 3 form.
It seems we're both starting to grow tired.
I guess so. But that doesn't mean either of us is giving up, right?
Of course not! Don't overestimate me! Prepare yourself! Got a gun! Come, Kakarot! I'll put this to rest once and for all!
Wow, I've got to hand it to you, Vegeta.
Stop patronizing me, Kakarot! I've been training non-stop in order to finally defeat you!
Thanks to your hard work, I suppose we'll just have to call this one a draw.
What do you mean, a draw? Nonsense! You want to end it already? I'm not done yet. I still have energy. This next move will determine the winner!
What?
Prepare yourself, Kakarot!
Hold on! Are you sure? You're in pretty bad shape.
You're not doing much better! Ready or not, here it comes! Sweet victory will be mine! Take this!
Whoa, stop! Why don't we take a break first?
I want this, I want that! Shopping is so fun!
Huh. Hey, did you feel that? The ground just started shaking and the wind picked up out of nowhere.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder what's going on.
Why do I feel like this is somehow Goku's fault?
No way. Goku's been so much more relaxed recently. Why would that change out of nowhere?
You don't know that, man. It's been this peaceful because he's bottling it up. It's not just him. Vegeta does the exact same thing. I bet this is happening because they're bored and are fighting each other.
That makes a lot of sense. Can't say you're wrong.
After all that, it's still a draw.
It's not over yet!
Sorry, I can't even lift a finger. Yep, that's it for me. It's the same for you, right?
I hate to admit it, but I accept a draw. Just for now. but I vow to get even stronger. And next time, I will destroy you.
I had a feeling you'd say that.
Kakarot,
Yeah?
tell me, what drives your thirst for power?
Well,
For me, it's to finally defeat you. But you, I don't understand.
let's see here. I think you hit the mark. At the beginning of our fight, you said that wanting to do battle was the mark of a true Saiyan. To tell you the truth, the second I heard that, it really resonated with me. Because for all I know, there could be someone far away who I've never heard of that's crazy strong. Thoughts like that make me happy. It helps keep me motivated. You know? Because I'd want to find whoever this person is and challenge them to an all-out fight. I want to be able to win, but I can't pull that off unless I train a whole bunch. So you see, I'll keep on pushing myself to get even stronger. I bet you feel the same way, right?
I should have known. You never change.
Oh, yeah! I'm getting pumped up just thinking about fighting someone strong! Yes! I'm so excited I can hardly take it!
With Goku defending Earth, the future looks bright, and his path to power continues onward.